Is this $84 AI projector actually good? Let's cut through the hype. This is my super quick review of the Honor Choice AI Projector Air. Okay, first things first. At around $84, this isn't meant to replace your home theater. But if you want a fun, interactive gadget for dark rooms, this little projector might surprise you. The real standout here is the stylus and gesture control. I can literally draw, tap, and even move things around on my wall, either with a pen-like stylus or just my hand in the air. It feels a bit futuristic, and honestly, it's awesome for games or doodling with friends. The U-shaped gimbal stand is pretty clever too. I can tilt the projector from the wall up to the ceiling, so bedside movie nights are just a flick away. Super handy. Now, auto setup is all driven by the AI. It autofocuses, fixes angles, even avoids stuff that might block your image, all by itself. No fiddling with settings or messing with the position for ages. For specs, you get native 1080p Full HD, about 280 CVIA lumens of brightness. So, perfect for dark rooms, but don't expect much if you want to use it in daylight. The contrast is decent at 2500 to 1, and it's got 32 gigs of built-in storage for your files. Connectivity? All the basics. Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, HDMI 2.0, USB, and even a headphone jack. Plus, a built-in 5-watt speaker that's surprisingly punchy for the size. Here's my quick take. Buy it if you want a low-cost way to turn just about any wall into a giant interactive display. It's perfect for doodling, simple games, or casual streaming in a dark room. But skip it if you're hoping for professional-grade brightness or want to use it in a sunny space. It just isn't built for that. And one last pro tip. That AI badge really means camera-based tracking for gestures and image setup. It's a small detail, but it makes life way easier compared to most budget projectors. So, is it worth your money? For $84, I'd say this little gadget is a smart buy for the right person.